too many unboxing videos lately? What do you mean, too many unboxing videos lately? There can never be too many unboxing videos. Luke, I am a Nomad's Projects. Hi guys, today I am super excited to bring you another unboxing. This time I got a miter saw. This is the Metabo KGS 216M compound miter saw. It cuts a maximum of 305 by 65 millimeters, which is plenty for me. And at 45 degrees, it still does 8 inches. So, yeah, like I told you when I did the unboxing video of this guy, the Shephawk HMS 850 planer thicknesser, one of my goals is to be able to handle 2x8 boards. So it was important for me that the miter saw also handles 8-inch boards. I hate this part! Dust collection bag, clamp down for the saw table. These are the parts for, I don't think it's called an infeed table, but from the side of the saw. Transport handle. So, for the boring part. I carefully turn the saw over on its back and fix the supports. I flipped the saw back around and checked if the blade was fixed properly. Then I mounted the transport handle. My regular viewers probably know this by now, but I always check if my tools are square. Out of the box, this saw wasn't perfectly square, but calibrating it was quite easy. I made my first cut ever on a miter saw, making sure that the blade came to a complete stop before releasing it. This was a tip by Steve Ramsey over at Woodworking from Mere Mortals. I then tested the miter function. I wanted to test the sliding function as well,
and it's really smooth. I then started fiddling around with the laser sight until I was happy with it. Saw has a simple depth control function which is really handy for cutting dados. To cut the dado the entire width of the workpiece, I added a sacrificial piece between the fence and the workpiece. Thanks to Keith Brown over at Rag & Bone Brown for this great tip.
So what are my first impressions of the Metabo 216M? It seems like a fantastic little saw. It's really capable. It has all the functions I need and then some. It has a fantastic cut. I mean, 305 millimeters. I can cut dados with it. I think this saw is going to get a lot of use. A lot of use. I have one little gripe with this saw, and it's that the fence, of course, isn't completely 90 degrees. And because of the way the clamp is fixed to the fence, when you tighten down the workpiece, the fence flexes. I guess it doesn't really matter that much because then your workpiece is already clamped down, but still. But bear in mind, these are only my first impressions, and I haven't used this saw for more than the cuts that you've seen. This saw is really portable, but I'm not taking it anywhere. And this means we're building a miter station soon, and I want it over here. I haven't figured out the length I want yet, but I'm looking really forward to the build. Baby Vader approves the saw.
Again, that's it for today, guys. And like I said, I'm really happy with this purchase. And I think the saw will see a lot of use in my workshop. If this is your first visit to my channel, please consider subscribing. If you liked the video, remember to leave a thumbs up as it's really motivating. I will get back to you on any comments, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.